how to play BeamNG Drive on your MacBook. So first things first, we all know that BeamNG Drive is not currently yet available or not yet supported on Mac operating system. But there are ways for you to be able to play the games by using your MacBook. So first things first is you just need to partition your drive from your MacBook so that you can install a Windows 10 or Windows 11. So what you want to do is just to use any browser on your MacBook and then just simply type in Windows 10 on Mac. Now you will be redirected to a lot of results right here, but what you need to choose is just the very first link that will take you directly to Apple support. And here you just have to check or choose on what specific make and model of your MacBook has. Say for example, it's going to be on the first link. So you just need to install this first link right here in your MacBook and then just simply run BeamNG Drive just like your casual thingy doing on your Windows operating system. So that's the only way for you to be able to play BeamNG Drive on MacBook.